Guys, so welcome back. So in this video I'm doing something very exciting. Well, I'm very excited by it. It's a 3D template of a Christmas tree, and basically this is a PDF, and the template is provided with step-by-step manual instructions. It's a PDF template, so basically I'm going to put the link down below. You're going to go on their website, you're going to purchase it, and it's 45 pages, and in each page it tells you what the things are that you're printing. So basically this is a Christmas tree star, so I've done this yellow, and also it's got instruction manual of how to do it step by step, so it's really easy. And hopefully in the future they're going to do pre-cut templates, but to be honest I find this quite easy as well. All you have to do is just print it, score it and cut it, and that's it. So let me get started by telling you, this is a sponsor obviously. I'm going to put all the links down below of the sponsor. I've already done a video from this company and I really liked it. I even did a unicorn, but unfortunately the video disappeared or whatever it was. So basically this is a star. It says Christmas tree star, only 1 pages. So I've done this yellow, so you're going to cut it out, score it, and we're going to use this side for it. This is a Christmas tree left gift box, so when it finishes you know what I'm talking about. And so basically this is what I've decided to do, the colour of my gift box, and this is 2 pages. And then so for this one it's Christmas tree right gift box, it's 4 pages, and as you have it, and this is the back. Whoops. This is the back, this is the colour that's going to be. And this one is the Christmas tree balls, so I've decided to go with yellow as well. You can do red as well, like red is a nice colour, but I didn't have red card. And this is the tree truck. I've done a white. When it finishes I'm going to paint it brown or black. And then this is the left ribbon and the right ribbon. I've decided to do the ribbons white because if you think about it, the gift box is going to be blue. So the ribbon having a white is really nice, but you can do any colour you want. So, and also the Christmas tree, which I didn't have green card, so I'm going to go to the stores tomorrow, get some green card paper and print out the Christmas tree, cut it, score it, and then I'm going to start the video for you guys. So don't forget, the best thing to do is use card paper, because if you use, I've just done this by mistake. If you use like normal paper, then obviously it's not going to be as strong as it should be. And the reason I'm doing this video is because it's Christmas in 50 days. Well, from today onwards. And I'm really excited, and I'm sure all of you guys are going to love this. And I'm going to put all the links down below. I hope you guys like it, and this is the sponsor. Boom, 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 boom. Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to do the star. So I've just cut them out. I'm going to start scoring them and gluing them together like so. So the things you need is the cutter, a ruler and something to lean on, and I've just got this box. So we're just going to get the star. And really gently, I'm going to use a small cutter, and we're just going to line them, and obviously we're not going to go across the page. So this is what the star should look like, and this is the front and this is the bottom where you're going to put onto the tree, but the back is quite really bad. I've not been able to stuck most of it on as there's no finger room because I can't fit my finger in there. So if you guys do try it, don't worry if it doesn't go out well, because this is just the back and this is the front. So this is how it's going to be on the tree, and this is what's going to be on the wall. because obviously you have to stick it to a wall, because you can't stick it in the middle of the room, because the template is just for the wall. So that's how it is. And now I'm just going to stick the other objects onto the tree and then come back to you guys, put this on top of the tree. Hi guys, so I'm back. So after many hours of cutting and scoring, I'm ready to start. So as you can see, this is scrap paper, card scrap paper. I'm using this side, this is the template, and this is the scrap paper, and I've just bought this green spray from Wilkinson. I think it was about £7. So I'm just gonna do the top part, and then I'm going to spray it once it's done, but without the balls, presents and stuff stuck on. So let's get started. So this is the number 2, so we have to find number 1 if there is number 1. So this is number 7, I'm putting this aside. Number 4, number 5, number 5, 5B, so 5A goes here, 4B, 7C, as you get the hang of it basically. This is number 6, so that can go there and that goes there. 7 again, number 5, number 8, so number 2 and number 3. So basically this is how I've done it, like for myself to be much easier. As I'm beginning to, I'm going to put the top ones, the higher numbers at the top, and then the lower numbers right at the bottom. So this is 8, and then 7A, 7B, 7C, number 6, and then 5A, 5B, 5C, and then 4A, 4B, 3 and 2. And obviously 1 is the star. So this is, I'm just going to glue this part 445 with 445. Apply some PVA glue with it and just join these two together.
Something wrong, mommy crying, daddy gone. Wasn't me, nosebleeds, empty fridge, no groceries, teardrops running down my face. It's just one of those days. If you and me would meet someday, I think the first thing you would say is something like, I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that is cannot change. I try to do the best that I can to push it all away, but I would do it all again. I would do it all again, yeah. I would do it all again, and again, again. 99, flashing lights, don't move, hands up to the sky. What should I do? Just run away. The pistol's on me, but it's not mine, I say. It's like it's all falling out of place, but I see it much clearer now. I see it much clearer now, so much clearer now. I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that is cannot change. I try to do the best that I can to push it all away, but I would do it all again. I would do it all again, yeah. I would do it all again and again.
Okay, so now I've just finished the tree. As you can see, this is where the trunk goes. This is where the presents go. And these are the light bulbs, those small holes, but obviously it's white and I've printed it on scrap paper, so I'll have to paint it. And like I said, I bought this paint from Wilkinson, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint it.
Something wrong, mommy crying, daddy go, wasn't me.
Hey guys, so this is the finishing touch. As you can see, I've done the presents, the ribbons white, this one dotty pink, that blue and that white. I've done the lights yellow, the tree trunk, not brown. I was going to do brown, but I did it black. So now I've only got the star left to put on. The star, you just put it on by some glue, applying to the bottom, but I'm just going to do some hot glue gun and I'm just going to stick it on the top of the tree. Like so. So as you can see, this is the finishing tree. So let me know what you think, and don't forget to hit the links down below where to purchase this tree, and don't forget, when you do purchase it, read all the instructions so it's much easier to put together. And thanks again to the sponsor. If you want to see who the sponsor is, check out the description. I've put all the links down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that subscribe button just right here.